Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Tuner on Security. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve a CTF challenge from picoCTF 2024. The challenge is called Unminify. I've summarized the most important information about the challenge here. The area of the challenge is web exploitation. The task is to find a flag by analyzing a website. You find a link to the challenge in the video description below. Let's jump into the challenge. Here we are at the picoCTF homepage, and here we have the task, Unminify. Let's read through the description. I don't like scrolling down to read the code of my website, so I've squished it. As a bonus, my pages load faster. Let's launch the instance. Browse here and find a flag. Welcome to my flag distribution website. If you're reading this, your browser has successfully received a flag. I just deliver flags. I don't know how to read them. Okay, so let's inspect this page, or view the page source rather, and line wrap. And here we see something, picoCTF. And here I think we have the flag, picoCTF pretty code. Okay. Let's transmit this. Yes, that was the flag we were looking for. So that solves the challenge. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.